Hi everyone, welcome back to Autopedia. Today we're excited to bring you an in-depth look at the 2025 Nissan Altima, a mid-size sedan that's packed with innovative features and capabilities. Let's dive in. Exterior design and color options. The 2025 Altima boasts a sleek and modern design with a new front grille, LED headlights, and a sculpted body. The exterior color palette includes options like super black, pearl white, and deep blue pearl, as well as custom color options. Interior features. Inside, the 2025 Altima features a premium cabin with seating for up to 5 passengers, optional heated and ventilated seats, and a high-resolution infotainment display. Technology options include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, navigation, and a premium sound system. Performance specifications. The 2025 Altima is powered by a range of engine options, including a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated inline-4 and a 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6. The transmission is a continuously variable automatic with front-wheel drive and a top speed of up to 130 mph. Safety features. The 2025 Altima features advanced safety features, including Nissan's advanced driver assistance system, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, as well as a collision avoidance system. Comfort and convenience features. The 2025 Altima offers comfort and convenience features like dual-zone climate control, a premium sound system, and driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control and lane centering. Dimensions, cargo capacity, and towing capability. The 2025 Altima measures 192 inches in length, 73 inches in width, and 57 inches in height. Cargo capacity is up to 15 cubic feet, with a maximum towing capacity of up to 1,000 pounds. Fuel efficiency and range estimates. The 2025 Altima boasts an estimated EPA rating of up to 32 mpg combined, with an estimated range of up to 400 miles on a single tank. Trim levels and pricing information. The 2025 Altima is available in 5 trim levels. S, starting price of around $25,000. SV, starting price of around $27,000. SL, starting price of around $30,000. SR, starting price of around $32,000. Platinum, starting price of around $35,000. Conclusion. That's it for today's in-depth look at the 2025 Nissan Altima. This mid-size sedan is packed with innovative features and capabilities. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.